Hello students. Today we will discuss past indefinite tense. What is past indefinite tense? Past indefinite tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past and are now finished. Now let's discuss its structure. First we write subject, then verb, second form, and then object. Now I am going to discuss some examples. I played cricket. She watched TV. They went to school. He ate food. Now you can see first we use subject like I is a subject, played is a verb second form, and then cricket is object. Now I am going to discuss some important rules of past indefinite tense. We always use the second form of the verb in this tense. Now I am going to discuss some examples of verb go, went, eat, ate, play, played, watch, watched. Now I am going to discuss some negative sentences of past indefinite tense. So let's start from its structure. Its structure is subject. First we write subject, then did not, then verb first form. Why we use here verb first form? Because did is always a second form and we can't use two second form in the single sentence. Now I am going to discuss some examples of past indefinite tense. I did not play cricket. Here we use the first form of verb play, not second form of play, because did is already a second form of do. We can't use two second forms in a single sentence. Next example is she did not go to school. They did not eat food. Here we also use first form of verb eat, not ate, because did is already a second form of do. Now I am going to discuss some interrogative sentences. Let's start from its structure. First we write did, then subject, then verb, first form. Here we use also the first form of verb because did is already a second form of verb and we can't use two second forms in a single sentence. Now let's discuss some examples. Did you play cricket? Did she go to school? Did they eat food? Let's do some practice. I went to the market. She did not watch TV. Did you eat food? Let's discuss some common mistakes that we usually do in writing past indefinite tense. I did not went is a wrong sentence. Why? Because we can't use two second forms of verb in a single sentence. Did is as already second form of the verb do and went is also a second form of the verb go. So the correct sentence is I did not go. And second example is did you eat food? That is a wrong because here we also used two second forms of verb. And the correct sentence is did you eat food? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English grammar lessons. See you in the next video.